Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn how to animate a burger recipe in Canva using slide and pop-up effects that will make your designs mouth-watering. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at the finished product. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's get started and create this together. Start by opening Canva and select Video for YouTube video. For page 1, this is our background. First, we will prepare the smoky effect. To create a smoky effect for the burger slide, we are adding a subtle smoky background. You can find this by searching for white smoke under Elements tab. Adjust the transparency to blend it seamlessly with the overall design. This adds a touch of drama and gives the burger a freshly grilled, mouth-watering vibe. Now we will create 5 square frames. Do this by duplicating 1 square frame. Align all the 5 squares in the center. For better explanation, we will name the squares as shown on screen. Box 1 to Box 5. Select the 5 squares and set the transparency to 0. Duplicate this page. Now we can start to drag our images into box 1 by 1. Click on box 5 and set the transparency to 100. We will select image 1 and drag it into box 5. Duplicate this page. Click on box 4 and set the transparency to 100. Select image 1 and drag into box 4. Select image 2 and drag into box 5. Continue this process until all the 5 boxes are filled in. We have shown the entire process, filling in all 5 boxes step by step. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Take your time to follow along and feel free to rewatch any part of the video if not clear. Now comes the fun part, adding animation. Click on the Animate button at the top. Choose the Match and Move animation from the transition options. Apply it to all slides for a seamless and engaging effect. Take a look at the result. Doesn't it look awesome? Now we continue to do the moving of the image until image 5 reaches box 3. Duplicate the last page. Now we select image 2 and drag it into box 1. Select image 3 and drag into box 2. Select image 4 and drag into box 3. Select image 5 and drag into box 4. For box 5, detach the image and set transparency to 0. Now we will do this set one more time. This time, image 5 will be at box 3. Take a look at the result before we continue. Now we will do the second part of the animation, pop-up of each slide. Click on page 4. This is the page which image 1 is at box 3. Duplicate it. At page 5, enlarge image 1. Delete image 2 and image 3 as shown. Duplicate page 4 again. The duplicate copy will be page 5. Move page 5 and put in between page 6 and page 7. This is the result of the pop-up animation. We show another example for image 2. Continue the pop-up animation for the rest of the images. Again, take your time to follow along and feel free to rewatch any part of the video if you are not clear. Lastly, we will add details and animation of the image. And there you have it, a fun and dynamic burger recipe animation, perfect for showcasing your creative designs. Before we wrap up, let's take another look at the finished video. This type of animation are perfect for food blogging, share recipes in a visually captivating way, social media marketing, promote your cafe or restaurant's menu items, content creation, teach step-by-step tutorials just like this one. This type of animation can make your designs truly stand out and keep your audience swiping for more. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what type of videos you've created using these effects. Thanks for watching and happy designing!